All right, so customer complaint is they're not getting any ice or any water, so we're gonna test it out. All right, we're getting ready to change out this valve. See some marks are on the floor. I'm assuming when they pulled it out. All right, so this one is a little different. The wire harness plugs in, so I think I'm gonna have to take these off and switch it around on this one. All right, we got the new one in. Let's turn back on the water. All right, so we do got water now. We just got to purge out the line because they changed out the filter yesterday to get some of that charcoal out whenever you change out the filter.